Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your Apple ID and payment are ready. This prevents interruptions during renewal. Once done, unlock your device and open Settings, then tap your name. From there, tap Subscriptions to view active plans. You want to locate Apple One in the list right away. If you don't see it, check that you're signed into the same Apple ID used for the subscription. This first step gets you into the subscription manager so you can take action now. Once you've opened the Apple One subscription, choose the plan that fits your needs, individual, family, or premier, and compare included services. You'll see prorated fees if switching mid-cycle. Review those numbers so charges are expected. Make sure the payment method on file covers the new cost. Tap Manage Payment to add or update a card or PayPal. After adjusting plan and payment, iOS or Mac OS will show the effective date. You're at the finish line. Tap Confirm or Renew and enable Auto Renew if you want continuous service. After the charge posts, verify the receipt in Mail or check purchase history under your Apple ID to ensure the correct plan and amount. If something goes wrong, try signing out of Apple ID and back in, update the payment method, or remove and re-add the card. This often clears authorization errors. If issues persist, contact Apple support with your receipt and account details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.